Rule number one, set the forks where you want them before you put the extensions on, because they're too heavy to move after. Okay, just arrived at the farm, getting some things unloaded. We brought up some stuff for storage up here as we touch things down at the city house, where if we're not going to use them until sometime in the far future, we're bringing up here just because this is where it's going to end up. Bought some trees. Bought 2 sets of trees at auction, getting them up here. The same place I bought trees last year. Got 2 this year, a little more expensive. Paid about $100 a piece for them. Last year I got them for about 50. And then this is the new toy as we start to work on the storage building. This is an auger set from Jenkins Iron and Steel, here, a Minnesota company. So there's a 9, a 12, and an 18-inch auger here with a 2-foot extension, and then there's the auger head, and obviously the fittings to put it on. We're going to get this unloaded here. Just get it set aside. I've rented a skid steer for the summer, and if everything goes right, that'll be up here next weekend, and we can get going with some projects, both tree planting. Get another look at the big trees that we have over here. These are 2.5 inch. They weigh over 500 pounds a piece. But over here are 5 more fruit trees going into the orchard section of the fields here. There are so this is a golden spice pear. This is a doesn't say. Oh, that's because I'm looking at the wrong tag. This is the tag I want to look at. So this is a Parker pear. Find the orange tag here. This is a frostbit apple. And this one here is Harold red apple. And last but not least is this one, which is also a Haralson apple. All right, so there's the fruit trees to the orchard. These were bought last fall, late, we pot planted them, just put the whole pot in the garden space in the city and overwintered them down there, and now they're ready to go in. One of the problems we're going to have, we had to pull one of the trees out of the orchard area this year because it was so wet and it was holding water around the roots. So that one's around here somewhere. It's one of the pear trees, and so that one's got to be moved to a different location. All right, well, we're going to get started here.
I've always dirtied everything that I found. This ain't no difference, look at you now. And baby, cut yourself loose. Save all the things that I said that night. Playing it cool, but I never got it right. Baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. Now you know everything that I am. Caught in the pond, no backup plan. Baby, cut yourself, baby, cut yourself loose. Cause a little trouble, don't shed a tear. Keep that sunny smile from ear to ear. And baby, cut yourself, baby, cut yourself loose. I was mesmerized by your eyes. Keep me up every night. Keep me up every night. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone. For me now, there ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. There ain't no satisfaction for me now. Now that you're gone, now that you're gone, now that you're gone.
That could be a real head knocker if you're not paying attention to it. Get your fingers caught or bonk yourself on the head. You really got to pay attention to it. Rule number 1, set the forks where you want them before you put the extensions on, because they're too heavy to move after. Okay, well the tractor won't lift it. It's too heavy. Even though I thought I had, sort of thought I had the lift capacity for it, because the lift capacity, advertised lift capacity of this is similar to the T595 Bobcat that loaded it on the trailer, but it doesn't pick it up. So we're going to shift gears a little bit. I need to move the trailer forward so that the ramps are on the concrete here. And then I'm going to come in this way and wrap a tie wrap around it, tie it to the forks, tip it up and pull it off. That's the new plan.
Turn this on.
All right, so I got it off. It was up here, as you guys know, and I used the straps there to drag it out and down the ramp, and then set it on these 4x4s here. Again, the tractor didn't have enough weight or enough oomph to lift it, but it could lift the edges of it, and so that worked out. That worked out here, where now it's, I got the forks down. It's not really holding any weight anymore. I lowered everything. But yeah, that worked out real well, and you'll see this some more when we get its foundation done. This is the new well house coming in.
Okay, we're starting to wrap it up. Coming out of the south driveway onto the city street, which is just a dirt road. Down to the main drive, the north driveway as I refer to it. And we're going to drop these fork extensions off, and that'll bring an end to it for today. So thanks for coming along. Like and subscribe. Have a lot of fun doing this. We've got projects moving, so we hope to get some done. It's been an awfully wet spring, and that is just a real problem with getting projects done. So we're trying to get started on some things. These trees have to be planted, etc. Just waiting for it to dry out a bit. So have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.